Good morning and welcome back to Ginger's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a ham and cheese omelet with a twist, so please stay till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm starting with a stainless steel pan because this omelet's going to go under the broiler before I flip it. Now I'm going to spray it with a non-stick spray, and then we're going to put our eggs in. I'm using 3 eggs, and instead of milk, I'm using a little bit of eggnog today for a twist. So 3 eggs and eggnog, and stir that up. Now this is a ham and cheese omelet, so I'm adding some fresh dill. And I may have added a little bit of parsley, curly parsley, but I only see the fresh dill, so I think I only added the dill. Mix that all up, and then I'm going to use some Hormel ham in the can. I love this ham. It's always juicy, tender, just good. So I'm going to take some ham, chop it up on the chopping mat here, and I'm going to add that all on one side of the omelet. Now, once I've added the ham, I'm going to add the cheese. Now, on the other side of the omelet, I'm going to add a garden vegetable cream cheese. This may be a little different than you're used to, but this makes a really creamy, tasty omelet. So I'm going to try to distribute that all over the other side, so when the omelet is fully cooked and flipped, every bite has the ham and the cream cheese. Now the technique is you're going to cook this on top of the stove until the bottom of the omelet is firm. And I'm very careful. I do it so that I don't like a lot of color on my eggs, but the eggs are cooked through and we're cooking the bottom first. Now once you see that the bottom of the omelet is all set, then it's time to put it under the broiler. And you should preheat your broiler before you start cooking your omelet. If you don't preheat your broiler, then it'll just take a little longer. But mine was preheated. So my omelet the top part took under 3 minutes to fully cook. Now that was 3 minutes for just the top under the broiler. I cooked the bottom first. So look at that. Look how nice and done the top of that omelet is. Now it's just getting it to flip nice and pretty. And here it is. Nice and pretty and flipped and ready to eat. Thank you for visiting my kitchen again. And until next time, and please like and subscribe.